employees. Watch what you eat. Vet warns of virus transmission through unauthorized meats. And the dangers of fake eyelashes, part 2 of a TVJ News special report.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Andrea Chisholm has our preview.
Janella, we have some good news this evening as ordinary Jamaicans have more investment options. Trans-Jamaican Highway has released its IPO, and that have all the details in the business day.
Okay, thank you, Andrea. From Andrea, we go to Spencer Darlington. He'll tell us what's coming up in sports. Spencer.
Thank you very much, Herman. Well, Triple Crown winner Supreme Soul is still in quarantine in the United States, and there was fear that he would never race again. But I tell you what, there is a degree of optimism this evening. We'll give you an update in Primetime Sports later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what more can be done to make the states of emergency more effective in curtailing murders?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.